Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the path, direct HDMI capture or network streaming. If using a capture card, plug its USB into your laptop now, then connect the Xbox HDMI out to the card. If you prefer wireless streaming, make sure both the Xbox and laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network and allow connections in Xbox settings. Once done, install any required capture drivers or the Xbox app on the laptop, so the system can see the console. Now connect hardware and open software. Launch your capture program or the Xbox app and select the capture device as the video source. Make sure the capture software's resolution and frame rate match the Xbox output. Choose 1080p at 60 FPS or 720p at 60 for less CPU load. Verify audio is routed from the capture device so game sound passes through. If using network streaming, pair the console via the app, then select quality and start streaming. Finish by testing gameplay and input. Put the capture preview full screen and confirm controller inputs register on screen. Make performance tweaks, lower capture resolution or frame rate if you see stutter, and close background apps to reduce latency. To record or stream, set output file path or streaming key and start. If you get no signal, check the HDMI cable and console power first, then confirm capture drivers and USB 3.0 port. As a fallback, use the Xbox app over your LAN to stream directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.